Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your third week of January reading start from the 15th through the 21st of January 2021. This is going to be for the sign of Leo. So let's see what is coming up for you guys for this week time. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading but no charms will be added, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box, and you can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the reading. Let's find out how the week is going to be for the sign of Leo. Let's begin. What is coming up for the Leos for this week time? Let's begin. Queen of Pentacles. Feeling very stable, feeling very happy, feeling very excited, feeling very confident in yourself, in your skin, and you are doing very good in your work and business is what I'm picking up. Whatever you do for living, you are doing good in that. I feel like you're starting off the week with a very positive attitude towards yourself. Like you are feeling good doing whatever you are doing in your life. I don't think that you need or you are depending on anyone for your happiness or for anything. I'm not saying that you don't have anybody to love or anybody who loves you. I'm just saying that you are enjoying your life the way it is. You are not concerned about what's going to happen in future. You are not concerned about how this is going to work out, how that is going to work out. It's you enjoying your current situation, feeling stable, happy, positive content from deep within, and that's exactly what is reflecting in your reality as well. Let's see what cards here. Ace of Swords. That's the perfect energy to have. It's like you have a lot of clarity about your life, how you want it to move forward, what are the things that you need. I feel like your intuition is going to be very sharp during this peak time as well. Whatever you can sense, your sixth sense is going to be very, very clear cut. If you have a hint of something happening in your life, it will happen. You will have the thought that you think will come true there and then. It's going to be that kind of sixth sense that's going to work for you during this week time. I do see that you will be having a lot of things coming to light as well during this week time. It doesn't have to be about other people. Maybe for some of you, you might be seeing a lot of things that you were not seeing earlier in a specific someone or in the circumstances that you are having in your life. But yes, a lot of clarity coming in your life about how to move forward, what are the things that you need to work on, whatever that you are dealing with in your life right now. For some of you, maybe the things that have been hidden or out of sight, out of mind, you will be basically like having those things that have been kept away from you, hidden from you, they will also be coming to light for you. You would get to know about them as well. So there would not be any unsaid words left. There won't be anything which is which you are not aware of. So basically, I do see a lot of clarity definitely coming up for you in different areas of your life, especially when it comes to a specific someone. If there are certain things that you have been unaware of, you will be getting to know that as well. Be that negative, be that positive. It's going to be different for different people, but yes, I do see a lot of clarity coming your way during this week time around a specific someone as well. Let's see more cards here. Wow, Nine of Cups. Along with the clarity comes the wish fulfilled. Wow. Let's see what the clarity that you are getting around a specific thing. Ooh, who is going to be your life partner? Maybe for some of you, that clarity is coming to you. For others of you, maybe for some of you, you might be seeing some dreams around a specific someone as well. It doesn't have to be a specific someone that you have been dealing with or from the past. It can be a new person as well. Maybe you're going to get a clarity that yes, the new person is going to be the one for you. For some of you, that could be the clarity that you would be getting during this week time as well. For others of you, some sort of clarity that needs to come for you will be coming during this week time regarding your love life situation for sure. And I feel like this clarity is coming out of nowhere. Why? Because you are too focused on yourself. I don't see you too focused on your love life or any wish around love life. I do see you very happy and content. The more you are enjoying living in the moment is the moment when you start attracting all the other things that you once desired. So for some of you, maybe the person that you have always had your interest in, maybe since you are too busy working on yourself, maybe the person that you are dealing with would have clarity about you and them, and they will be reaching out to you, getting you your wish fulfilled. But yes, the clarity will definitely come through. Whoever it is going to be a part of your life forever will enter in your life, or at least you will have a clarity around that one person. Maybe for some of you, you might get a clarity that you have to leave a certain specific someone behind. Maybe you're gonna, have the clarity that somebody new is your destined to be partner for forever. So, but yes, the clarity around love life situation is definitely coming for you, which is definitely going to bring your wish fulfilled. Be that somebody from the past is your wish fulfilled, be that somebody new coming in your love life is the wish fulfilled. Whatever it is that you're wishing for, you are definitely getting that wish fulfilled for sure. Then comes the Five of Cups. For some of you, it's a new person. Why? Because the Nine of Cups paired up with the Five of Cups. You might have been wasting your time lately thinking that somebody from the past is going to bring you the happiness. But maybe that clarity is coming through for you. Maybe you're going to realize that no, a new person is what you deserve, and that one person will enter in your life bringing you your wish fulfilled. So majority of you, I feel like, you are going to have a real, clarity that maybe you need to let go of the past person, past pain, hurt situations that have hurt you, and you need or you deserve somebody better, and you are going to move forward getting your wish fulfilled regarding your love life. Let's see, what is that wish? What do you wish for? Happy home life with a specific someone, stability, happiness, abundance. What you see is what you seek, and is what you are going to get. So for some of you, since it's a general reading, maybe for some of you this is going to be a past person. The wish fulfillment is coming with a past person, but for majority of you, I feel like, this is a new person. Let's tap into the current energies of this person, whoever it is that you are gonna having this week time, whoever it is that is entering in your love life, offering you the stability and your wishes fulfilled around your love life. Let's see the current energies of this person, whoever it is. Let's find out some more energies of this person. Who is it? Somebody from the past. For majority of you, this person is going to be somebody from the past. Earlier I said it is going to be somebody new, because I feel like, it's going to make you realize that this is what you are getting your wish fulfilled. Because for majority of you, you're going to leave behind the things or the situations that have hurt you in the past. Now with these energies, it seems like, who is this person? They are happy, they are unhappy, they are up at night, they are waiting for you, and when you don't reach out to them, they are going to reach out to you. I don't see you reaching out to them. I do see the communication coming from this person's end. I do see the communication coming through for you in this week time. That's going to bring you your wish fulfillment. You have left this person thinking they have always hurt you. You're never going to get happy with them. You are choosing to move on. You're choosing to get the Two of Cups energy coming for you in your future. And then this person from the past is coming back after waiting on for you. Since you didn't reach out, they are having sleepless nights, and that's how they are going to reach out to you this week time. Underneath the deck, we do have the Death. The connection that you had with this person is going to get over the past situations, where it's going to be a new beginning overall. There, whatever has happened in the past, the pain, hurt will go away, and a new beginning is going to happen between the two of you. Underneath the Death, we do have the Fool. Underneath that, we do have the Justice. So a new beginning is definitely coming up for you for this week time with the specific someone from the past. Let's see the Oracle cards. Let's see what they have to add to the reading. Wow. But since it's a general reading, for some of you, maybe it is going to be a new person as well. But whoever it is, this person is going to bring you your wish fulfillment. Let's see more cards. A time to give rather than take. Communication is the key. It's time to give attention to the guy or the girl from the past rather than taking tension of this person. That's what I'm picking up. Because I do see you very happy. I do see you very relaxed. I don't think that you are chasing them. They are going to be coming back to you for sure. So it's their time to give to take the tension of, making things work this time. I don't think that you are taking that tension now. Let's see what else do we have coming for you for this week time. Let love in. You are blocking it. Whoever is offering you love, be that a new person or the past person, let it in. But yes, you don't have to settle in for less. If this person, whoever it is, be that somebody from the past or somebody new, if this person is ready to offer you love, commitment, stability, happiness, let that person in. Give this person a chance. And I feel like, this person is coming to bring you your wish fulfilled. So I believe that whoever it is will have something good to offer for sure. So let that person in. Intimacy you share is magical. This is a past person for majority of you, and you have been having sexual relationship with this person as well. It doesn't have to be sexual intimacy. It can be spiritual intimacy as well. Maybe there is a strong connection that you feel for this person, spiritually. That could be the case for some of you. Prayers will be answered. It's a past person. But yes, you are getting the communication with this person, and you are getting a new offer, new beginning with this person. Karmic lesson, maybe either one of you had to learn a karmic lesson before you could come together, and now that person has learned the karmic lesson, and now they're coming forward. So be that you or be that them. The energies could be reversed for some of you as well. Let's see one more card. Earth signs, you could be dealing with an earth sign as well. Let's take one more card. Forever love. This person is your forever love. Spend time contemplating. Take your time to decide about this person. Let them have the stress that they used to give to you, not because you want to take the revenge, just to let them taste their own medicine. I don't think that you are going to go crazy for this person this time around. I feel like they will be the one going crazy for you. So yeah, the energies could be reversed for some of you. So yeah, just pick how it is resonating with you in your situation. So yeah, this message coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys. Take care. Bye bye.